Alright YouTube, in today's video we're going to go ahead on and install our door brackets back on our hinge with some new bushings and a new rod. Alright y'all, first we're going to go ahead on and insert our bushing, the one with the rigid knot on it. So we're going to spray us a little curl on our bushing. Alright, put him in our hinge. He slid right up in there. Now we have our brand new bushing that's grooved. I'll spray a little oil on him. Try to get him in on his bottom side. We have a little vise here. We're gonna try to make this work for us. Okay, you see that didn't take much. All right, he's all the way in there. Next, we're gonna go ahead on and grab our hinge, flip our bracket inside so it can ride against our roller. You see it's kind of a tight fit. Now we're gonna go ahead on and lock our pin here in place. Come from the bottom side, from the top side to the bottom. And we're gonna give him a little tap. All right. That's him, guys. That's one in there. He's nice and solid. Same setup, guys, for the bottom. We got our bracket here. We got our pins, our bushings right here. We drop. Okay. We're gonna insert him into our bracket. All right. Let's flip our bracket over and do the same on the other side. All right. Let's go ahead on and slide him in there. Okay, we see where he stops at. All right, y'all. All we need here now is our good door pin. Slide him in place. Line up our pin.
You about ready to put your doors on?
Almost, my nigga. All right, we got him down there. All right. So we have both of our hinges on our frame and we're ready to mount our door, guys. And we're gonna do the same thing. We got our bushing, the 9 ridge. We're gonna slide him up in the top. Spray a little lubricant on him. Some of that good curl. Let him slide right up in there. You want us to give him a little tap. Right, give him a little tap. Now we have our ridged one that's going to the bottom of our door bracket. Okay, got him in there. Let's give him a little tap as well. All right, he's all the way in there. We have our bracket here that we're going to turn this way right here. So our door bracket, spring bracket, can ride against our roller and our spring can go right here. So let's get our pin installed. We have our pin coming through the top side, going straight through the bottom. Get it lined up. Okay, we lined up with our bracket. Get him nice and. Let's get him nice and snug, guys. Next, We're gonna go ahead on and install our other bushings in our bracket for the bottom side door hinge. Tap him in there. We got one lubed up already for our top side or bottom, whichever direction it's getting mounted in. Got him tapped in. Okay. Now, you see, that's your door, that's your bracket. Let's go ahead on and install our pin, guys. Okay, it's pretty close. Maybe we could probably get it even closer if we had a maul hammer or a jack maybe up on this bottom side to tighten it up even more. Try to spread the curl on there. Let them sit, penetrate. It seems like that done it there. Let's go ahead and see if we can get these doors installed onto our vehicle.
Where you keep your hot dog box?
It'll be on the aisle with your snacks at the back. With the chips and your candies on the candy out at the African end.
All right, thank you.
What you looking for?
Down here. Some hot dog buns. Already in the frosted.
This nigga up in Dollar Tree with a burger in his hand.
Okay, nice.
Look how he rocking. In a store with a burger in his hand.
That's right. You all what you eat. I am a burger.